Over the weekend, I'm working on cool projects, and one of them is AI advertisements. So this is an example of an advertisement that went wrong, really wrong. This is a business owner, he's the boss, and the idea is that he will say that still pretending that your employees are not overwhelmed, and then he's jumping through a wall. Okay, so he's supposed to jump through a wall. And let's see the result.
Still pretending your overwhelmed staff isn't overwhelmed?
I need
Still
to see
pretending
it again.
your overwhelmed staff isn't overwhelmed?
And there is version number 2.
Still pretending your overwhelmed staff isn't overwhelmed?
You see her eyes. Check this lady out. Her eyes is all messed up after he's jumping.
Still pretending your overwhelmed staff isn't overwhelmed?
Okay, so this is advertisement 1. The next advertisement is for one of my businesses when I am doing our CRM architecture. And the idea is that I'm doing it for so long, and the AI came up with that I'm doing it for so long. Okay, so that's me doing lucid architecture in my cave. So that's how long it's been. Okay. The next one, the idea is that a customer is coming to a business, to a law firm, and the lawyer is supposed to say, how can I help you? And the customer will say, you ghosted me. So you can't really help me. You ghosted me. So we planned it to be the lawyer and the ghost. And that's what happened.
Can I help you? You helped me with my case, and then you disappeared.
Okay, that's the first one. Second. Okay, and that's the third.
Can I help you?
And
You
it's
helped
the
me
same
with my
person.
case, and then you disappeared.
And he's also talking together with him
Can
at the
I
end.
help you?
You helped me with my
Let's
case,
check this out.
and then you disappeared.
Okay.
Can I help you?
You helped me with my case, and then you disappeared.
That's awesome. And the last one, it made it like Dora style of a ghost.
Can I help you? You helped me with my case, and then you disappeared.
The next advertisement supposed to be that this lady, she submitted a lead to a plumbing company, and the plumber is calling her after a few days, obviously too long, and then she's saying, I already went with someone else because it was too long. But the AI was completely mixing them, and you will see.
I just wanted to say I've moved on. You didn't follow up.
But Brian's plumbing did.
Wait, I was gonna call you today.
Too late.
Okay, check her out. She's becoming the man soon. And also, he didn't call her. She called him to tell him that she moved on, and he's telling her that that's a different plumber called.
I just wanted to say I've moved on. You didn't follow up.
But Brian's plumbing did.
Wait, I was gonna call you today.
Too late.
That's fantastic. That's priceless. The next one, on the same wave.
Hey, I just wanted to say I've moved on. You didn't follow up.
But Brian's accounting did.
Wait, I was going to call you today.
Too late.
So they changed roles completely during that. Anyway, crazy. Just wanted to share with you. This is probably about 80% of the results are crap. So it's super, super funny.